Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from Revolut Invest. So if you want to withdraw money from your Revolut Invest, here's a simple workaround for that. But before we get started, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake. So let's quickly dive into it. So the first thing to do is to open the Revolut app on your phone and log in into your account. So tap the Wealth or Invest tab from the main menu. Then choose your investment account type. For example, you can choose the stock, crypto, or commodities. Then tap the portfolio balance to view your current holding. So if your money is still invested, sell your shares or assets first by selecting the stock or assets and tap sell. Then enter the amount of number of shares you want to sell, then tap and sell again to confirm. So wait for the sales to complete. This usually takes up to 2 business days for funds to settle. Then once your cash is available, go back to your invest account home screen, then tap withdraw or transfer to the main account. So enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm it. Then the money will be moved from your invest account to your Revolut main account. So from your main account balance, you can spend, transfer, or withdraw to your bank as usual. So make sure and ensure all pending trade has settled before withdrawing, and unsettled funds can be removed. And that's how you can easily withdraw money from Revolut Invest. Hope you find the video helpful. If it did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.